Nature on Earth is a beautiful and complex system, with oceans, atmosphere, energy, agriculture, and so on, all being interconnected. Our planet is blessed with a diversity of life, otherwise unknown in our galaxy. But this delicate balance we rely on as human beings is threatened now by what we call climate change. Climate change means there is constant global change of our world's climate. That doesn't mean the weather changing short-term or climate fluctuation which can happen over a couple of decades, but rather global long-term effects. There is a natural climate change which was always happening, but we now also know that there is a man-made climate change which threatens our world as we know it. The main problem is the changing concentration of greenhouse gases, most notably carbon dioxide and methane. More and more emissions are coming from the combustion of fossil fuels. These will lead to a global heating of our atmosphere, endangering life on Earth. Now, what will happen next? All climate change scenarios are based on probable economic, social, and technological developments. One scenario would be that we can somehow manage to restrict emissions from coal, oil, and natural gas, prevent further deforestation, soil erosion, and positively change our agriculture and use of livestock. Plus, we will probably need negative emission technology, which will remove carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. Life will still be possible on a much hotter planet. Another scenario would be that we will not be able to do that change is too slow or tipping points have already been crossed, so that life on Earth will drastically change, with disasters, floodings, and depopulation becoming more prevalent than ever. A third scenario could be that we cross too many tipping points already, making human life on Earth almost impossible. Well, it's kind of difficult to talk about this. Modern science is clear on the negative effects of man-made climate change. All scenarios will be difficult to manage. Of course, we don't know exactly what will happen, and we can still alter our path. Now, we would like to get to know what you think. How busy are you currently with the topic of climate change? How informed do you feel? Let's use the room to illustrate the group dynamics. Please go to the left side of our imaginary axis if you are very busy with the topic, and to the right if you are not dealing with it at all. You can position yourself between these two extreme poles. The second question is, how hopeful or resigned are you about climate change? Please go to the upper side of our imaginary axis if you are hopeful, and on the lower side if you are resigned. Again, you can position yourself in between. Okay, thanks for watching our short film. Now please follow your facilitator's instructions.